morning. This is Anjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to view the use of interrogative adjective, which is commonly used to ask questions. Guys, my students, सामीन नाजरीन, आज हम which का इस्तेमाल देखते हैं. which को आमतौर पे सवालिया जुमलों में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है और कॉमनली इन जुमलों का इस्तेमाल अंग्रेजी बोलचाल में भी किया जाता है. लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज लेसन यूजिंग द which in questionary statements. My students, viewers, let's see these sentences constructed with the help of which is very commonly used to ask questions in general communication. Let's start our lesson behind on the whiteboard. Here you see, my students, the first statement is which is your choice. Which is your choice? आपका इंतखाब कौन सा है? आपका इंतखाब कौन सा है? Which is your choice? You see that which is used here as an interrogative adjective. Is a helping verb. Your is a pronoun and choice is a noun. Which is your choice? Which is your choice? आपका इंतखाब कौन सा है? Which is your choice? My students, you see that in this statement we have which that asks a question. Which is your choice? आपका इंतखाब कौन सा है? और which is your choice? Which is your selection? So this phrase is commonly used in English speaking and communication. Let's see next phrase, next statement. Here see that next one is which is regardless. Which is regardless. उसका हार कौन सा है? Which is regardless. Which is regardless. उसका हार कौन सा है? Here you see that next statement. Which is regardless. Which is regardless. उसका हार कौन सा है? This is also a beautiful statement. Which is regardless. Which is regardless. उसका हार कौन सा है? In this statement, you see that which is used to ask a question, and regardless means garland, har. And let's see the next phrase. You see the next one is which are his gifts. Which are his gifts? उसके तोहफे कौन से हैं? Which are his gifts? उसके तोहफे कौन से हैं? Which are his gifts? उसके तोहफे कौन से हैं? In this statement, you see that which is used as an interrogative adjective. Are is a helping verb. This is used for plural nouns and gifts. His is a pronoun for male. His is a pronoun for singular male. So which are his gifts? Which are his gifts? उसके तोहफे कौन से हैं? Which are his gifts? उसके तोहफे कौन से हैं? In this statement, you see that which are his gifts? उसके तोहफे कौन से हैं? His is used as a pronoun for singular male, and in the first statement we see which is regardless. Which is regardless. उसका हार कौन सा है? Har is a pronoun and har is used for singular female. Har is used as a pronoun for singular female. So in the very next statement we have his. Which are his gifts? Which are his gifts? And his is used as a pronoun for singular noun for singular person. Let's see the next statement. You see next one is which are Hina's rings? Which are Hina's rings? हिना की बालियां कौन सी हैं? Which are Hina's rings? हिना की बालियां कौन सी हैं? Which are Hina's rings? हिना की बालियां कौन सी है? You see these in this statement is a helping verb for plural nouns that are rings, and hina is a proper noun. So, and we make its possession using s and apostrophe. So hinas. Which are Hina's rings? Which are Hina's rings? हिना की बालियां कौन सी हैं? Which are Hina's rings? हिना की बालियां कौन सी हैं? Which are Hina's rings? हिना की बालियां कौन सी है? In this statement, you see that which is used as usual an interrogative adjective. And is a helping verb for plural nouns, and rings are nouns. Rings are nouns, plural nouns. and Hina. Hina is a name, and we have Hina's S and apostrophe that shows the possession of Hina. Which are Hina's rings? Which are Hina's rings? Hina की बालियां कौन सी हैं? Let's see the next statement. Next one is which is Ali's bungalow? Which is Ali's bungalow? Ali का बंगला कौन सा है? Which is Ali's bungalow? Which is Ali's bungalow? Which is Ali's bungalow? Ali का बंगला कौन सा है? You see, my students, in this statement, Ali's is possessive. Ali is a noun, name, proper noun, and S is here, and apostrophe that shows its possession. Which is Ali's bungalow? Which is Ali's bungalow? Ali का बंगला कौन सा है? Which is Ali's bungalow? Ali का बंगला कौन सा है? And next phrase is, you see here, next one is which are their snaps? Which are their snaps? उनके फोटो कौन से हैं? Which are their snaps? उनके फोटो कौन से हैं? Which are their snaps? उनके फोटो कौन से हैं? You see that there is a possessive pronoun. There is a possessive pronoun, and snaps means photos. Which are their snaps? Which are their snaps? उनके फोटो कौन से हैं? Which are their snaps? उनके फोटो कौन से हैं? There is used as a possessive pronoun. These are very important phrases used in English communication. Let's repeat them once again. आइए इन्हें एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं. First you see, first one is which is your choice? Which is your choice? आपका इंतखाब कौन सा है? Which is your choice? आपका इंतखाब कौन सा है? Which is your choice? आपका इंतखाब कौन सा है? And next is which is her careless? उसका हार कौन सा है? Which is her careless? उसका हार कौन सा है? Which is her careless? उसका हार कौन सा है? And next is which are his gifts? Which are his gifts? उसके तोहफ कौन से हैं? Which are his gifts? उसके तोहफ कौन से हैं? And next is which are Hina's rings? Which are Hina's rings? हिना की बालियां कौन सी हैं? Which are Hina's rings? हिना की बालियां कौन सी हैं? And next is which is Ali's bungalow? अली का बंगला कौन सा है? Which is Ali's bungalow? अली का बंगला कौन सा है? Which is Ali's bungalow? अली का बंगला कौन सा है? And last one is which are their snaps? उनके फोटो कौन से हैं? Which are their snaps? उनके फोटो कौन से हैं? Which are their snaps? उनके फोटो कौन से हैं? Which are their snaps? उनके फोटो कौन से हैं? Dear my students, these are very important phrases. Memorize these phrases. Keep on watching my videos and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again. Goodbye.